Hey! You can't catch me.
¿Ah?
¿Cuál es el tuyo?
Papá, te agarró. Ah, no me imagino. Mami.
Tiene que venir.
Like, if you look closer, everything's made out of animals put together. It's not really a trunk. Sorry, look at the dolphin. I don't remember anything. Maybe this a little bit.
Hola, mi amor.
Hey, mom, ¿te acuerdas cuando venimos aquí una vez?
Mi vida. Estás chiquitica. Ahora ya tú eres una niña grande.
Ay, mami, tampoco.
Una ancianita.
Excuse me.
You're gonna be freaked out.
No, I remember this one a little bit. It's like a blur.
Your dad, you gotta record your dad. He's like, ah.
From an ant, it's tough to be a bug. That's why we've developed some amazing survival techniques. For instance, deep in the jungles of South America, there's a bug. Well, technically he's an arachnid, you see. And
Don't exterminate friends, do they?
Oh, yeah, can we match?
We're always matching somehow.
Not always, sometimes.
I've never been here. Asustada. Ah, no, es cierto.
Ponlo en el medio, aguántalo, Katy. Ponlo ahí en el
What if it's in your legs? Aquí.
Esto da vuelta, ya, cállense.
If I your mom made it scared.
No miren.
Ah, esto no baja.
No baja.
Ah, no, come on. You serious gonna get wet like that? Your mommy there?
No.
No. I don't want to get wet for real.
Oh, yeah. No, not the big one.
No,
No, we're not going down there.
La última bajada es que hace mira, agarró fuego, mira.
Déjame. Mami, no mires.
Hay que poner todo. Me cae en la cara.
El chorro iba directo a tu cara. You're like, it'll be funny if you just stayed there today, like. Se acabó, ya quiero ir otra vez. No es nada, hay sol, lo secamos.
Esto es papá, mira.
Yeah, where?
Oh.
Oh my god. I was laughing at my mom.
Melina, ahora le tocó a la Jackie.
Oh my god, me tiró un chorro. Al final.
Vamos otra vez. Ahora sí, ¿verdad? Ahora sí, right?
I just punched them. She punched me now. I felt everything.
¿Mataba así, mira aquí?
No, she's not dramatic.
Mira, se llenó otra vez, mira.
¿Quién tú crees que se empapó más de todo? Pero right in my
No se
face.
moja, mira. She got a good seat. We're gonna dance. Ahí sí que se ve nice.
Mami, I want that ice cream. I want it. Está rico. Bueno.
So, how does it feel being in Pandora?
Por los rice.
Ahí van, después disfrutan, después gritan. More flying mountains there.
Like, you think this is soft? This is fucking hard. Es una corbata. Mira.
Look at the hand. That's the handprint. You nervous, bro?
Yes, nervous.
You nervous, bro?
Yes, bro.
I'm 9. I don't want to be the first one.
Si no toca aquí, espérate.
Please and stand on the number you were given.
Hi, and welcome to the Avatar program. Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Navi rite of passage. Riding on the back of a banshee by being genetically matched and linked to an avatar. Using avatars to fly this way was all figured out by my boss, Dr. Jackie Ogden. Now, let's find you your avatar matches. Alright, you've all been matched, and I'll see you in there.
Go. It was the one, the main one. The character.
Oh, really? A mí me tocó.
Before we send you to the link chambers of the program, you ready?
Do the sound.
Let's get...
Attention drivers, stow your gear on the back wall and then get onto the link chair the way we showed you in the video. Then put on your flight visors. For your safety,
We're about to
throughout
go.
this entire experience, remain...
Se queda uno sin voz, le salió la flema.
Private, I hit that loud.
I know, I thought I was by myself. I was screaming like, I was screaming like, yeah, 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 yeah. so much fun. How was it? It was fun.
¿Quién cerró los ojos? A la ola. Cuando yo miraba la calle estaba y gritaba.
Pasaba por las cosas y yo no miraba.
Que tengo un cajito sentado.
Yo traté de salirme de la silla y ya no pude.
Eso es como sorry, pero que te hacen así. Sí. Ese era el animal.
Yo quiero ir otra vez.
Estás sentado.
Yo, my voice is gone. I was screaming like crazy.
No, I was like, woo! And then I was like, oh shit, there's people.
I know. I thought we were in a room by ourselves. Dude, my voice is gone.
What?
Because I screamed really
I
loud.
was laughing. I was cracking up. ¿No viste la ballena con la
Yo hizo así, pero el agua así, como el pánico que le tengo al agua.
Ay, te vas a ahogar, sí, te vas a morir en el agua. I got dizzy. I was looking up y de repente fue para abajo, eh.
Really? It was nice. I thought it was really on top of one. I thought it was on top of one. Yo ni quería soltar las manos because I felt like I
Yo
wasn't
solté las
controlling it.
manos, ¿did you saw?
Yeah.
Yo solté las manos y la puse así, para arriba. So we're gonna go to another one and
Yeah.
then we're gonna come to this one again because I wanna come on this one again.
Molina,
Molina me copió, yo empecé a gritar así y después él también.
How you scream? It sounded like the movie.
Huh?
I thought it was in the movie.
That was nice, man.
Yeah.
I thought it was gonna get wet for a second.
This is the best spot to video.
Okay.
Because you get the screen, I'm here right there.
You're scanning her avatar.
Yeah, I want to look at it.
You wanna switch places?
Yeah, I would like that. I would be cool.
I don't like that.
Really?
Alright, so here's your card. You get to keep that little souvenir. You're gonna push the green button for me. Okay, and place your hand face down on the pad. There you go.
Thank you, look at this.
She actually did a really good photo because most people look very angry when they take their photos, or they don't look impressed at all. Okay, you can take your hand off.
Oh, there it is.
Jackie, that looks like you.
It always really picks up the eyebrows. That's like the one thing I've noticed. It's always the eyebrows, and if you have freckles on your face, it picks those up
Oh
too.
my god, okay, thanks.
You're welcome.
Does it look like me?
It looks like the eyebrows igualito.
I got the front eyes. I'm gonna laugh at you.
And same thing, hand face down. Yeah, a lot of people look like a mugshot when they have their scan done.
Meten el
Okay,
mohawk.
you can take your hand off.
I got the mohawk. Mine's big.
Alright, there you guys go.
Thank
Look at my mohawk.
Vamos.
Finally, Jackie.
Ahí, tú no puedes meterte aquí. Just step on it.
Dale, mira arriba. Dale esa cosa que vuela. Oh shit, that's nice. Mira para arriba cómo brinca eso. Tú no miras nada, that's so nice. Oh man, it's so magic. Avatar at night. Look how beautiful. It looks pretty when it's de noche, se mira bonito. Oh my god, I want to live here. It's getting cold again, and as much as I like it here.
To the following rules. The gas pedal is on the right and the brake pedal is on the left. The seatbelt must be worn and adjusted tightly.
It's actually drying out.
In here we're together, you left us. Solo mira el moño ese tuyo. Esta bajada es la que me dio miedo, mira. This one.
I can't drive.
This one. That one was the one.
No.
Now we're gonna go. We're gonna go on this one.
All day pass is 45, but it's not on my head.
I'm going. Yo voy a meter frenos the whole way.
No tanto, no. You stay with me.
You know what? I'm not even afraid to accelerating.
I think the other one tiene dos bajadas, esta tiene una nada más. Yeah, everything else is going up.
Please remain seated until directed to exit.
Melina, we're gonna go by ourselves.
Until directed to
I'm
exit.
behind because I don't want nobody behind.
Remain seated until directed to exit.
No, 3 different cars.
Please remain
Huh?
seated until directed.
Yeah, but there's nobody else. It's just me, us.
Please remain seated until directed to exit.
The second one was like, shit, I don't want to jump again, so I slowed down and me pasaron. And where are you? Like,
You were in first place.
you were behind me, what happened?
I waited for him.
Oh, okay.
I waited for
Allá
him because
chocaron like two
I
chocaron
know.
atrás.
Una girl se quedó
I think
bien.
this one's easier, pero más like
La bajada me dio miedo.
cuando yo bajé and then I saw like that, I said, shit, I don't know what to do, me voy a salir para afuera.
Exactly. Yo, I drifted. You saw me when
Yeah,
I
no,
drifted.
cuando tú lo coges chiquito, you drift a little bit.
I drifted. Yo dije, hell no, ya no voy más rápido. Yo le di, I listened to you. Le da las
No,
culpas
but it's good. Like todo el mundo estaba drifting and that en la curva. Like if you si la coges así cerquita and you go, you drift.
Yeah, pero I got scared.
The first time la cogí wide. Because like maybe si te vas así, you te cago.
Yeah, that shit was faster.
Esa baja is bad.
It is.
That's not la bajada, okay?
Yeah.
But I remember getting it from that side.
Vámonos a ese.
Yo,